Hey y'all, it's Andrew Rush here, and today I had a silk press about a week ago and my hair, I can feel it, it's dry, meaning I need to wash it. So this is what it looks like right now. It still is holding up pretty well, but if you're going at the roots, you can definitely see the hair trying to come back to normal. So I'm going to do this quick little cute little bonus video of me reverting my curls from straight to curly, and I thought this would be a really cute and fun idea. So if you're interested, keep watching. So the curls are back and it shrunk all the way to my scalp. Gee, so this is what we're working with. I guess tomorrow I'll show you guys when it's all dry. I'm just gonna style it and go to bed. Okay. Shrinkage is crazy, I know. I need to sit down because ouch. My hair is like out of the whole damn frame. Ah, I love it. I had my hair trimmed and like silk pressed. If you guys didn't see that video, I'll link it here in the card up above. This is how the hair is looking. I'm happy it's even. It still kind of looks unhealthy because you can see through it, but we're working with the hair, and I combed it out just for the end of this video for you guys, just to kind of show you guys how real shrinkage is. Like, my hair is huge right now. It's literally humongous. I love it. Anyway, all right, I put a headband on, but this is all my hair. I just wanted to end it off with my hair all combed out just to show you guys how crazy shrinkage is. And I also, for my own personal sake, just wanted to see my hair because it was just cut and trimmed, and I wanted to see if it was still a fro, and I thought it was literally a baby fro, but my trim wasn't too crazy, so I'm gonna continue doing my trims. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I find these videos very satisfying, watching my hair go from straight back to curly. So yeah, that was fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little bonus Wednesday video. It was short and sweet. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye. It's see you later. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye.
Enjoyed your time. I'm still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.